Hey, do y'all remember that stupid cardinal that would bang into the window and then mess all over Mom and Miss Jen's car, and then finally Daddy took him for a one-way ride? Then there was that pigeon who took my mirror so he could get ready for his date. Dumb pigeon. What is he doing on the causeway? It's not that funny, Jacob. But if you think that was funny, wait till you get a hold of this. Why is there a bird in the kitchen?
Blackbird singing in the dead of night.
What is it with you birds? Where did you go? Now he's in the bedroom. No, you don't get to rest.
Go.
Stay away from my mirror.
How about you go out the door?
You big dummy. What did I tell you about resting?
Get.
Ooh, that's gonna leave a mark. You don't listen.
No.
The door is open, Goofy Bird. Go outside by your friends.